Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, the shed, he done hired his wife, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Have you ever heard of Derek, Fundamentalz of the Side Hustle, and his buddy Regina? Yeah. Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth Picker? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati Picker? Have you ever heard of picking ain't easy, but it is? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky, the Tesla Picker? Well, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, there's another What Sold video. I'm going to get some of these big items out the way first because they huge and they're in the way. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick them up on my, my new little desktop thing. So we're going to pick some stuff up. First of all, I bought probably about 220 Space Buddy Blu-rays, brand new in the packages for $20. $20. I put them on eBay for $250. You know what I'm saying? That's less than that's $1 something a piece. That's pennies. So somebody bought them the same day. 200 DVDs. I bought 220, but I sold 200 because I'm gonna put the rest of them on eBay, on my site, on my in my store. So that sold for $250 plus $20 shipping and handling. So it's gonna cost me a little bit to ship. I'm gonna put a little bit with it, but hey, you guys can't beat that. So I can't pick that up and show you. I'm just gonna put a picture of it on the screen. Okay, the next big item I sold was a test cam, Porter Studio, 4-track recorder. Okay, I've been had this because I got musical instruments in my house and I was gonna have a music room. So I've been having it for a long time. I paid $20. I think I paid $20 to $30 for it at a pawn shop. About 10 years ago. So I was going through one of my closets and I saw it and I said, well, let me scan this to see. Not scan, let me look this up to see how much it is. And with a cord, it sold for $400. I don't have the electric cord for it. So I didn't find any without the cord. But the cord was $30. I didn't feel like waiting on it. So I put it on there and I said, this is what I told the dude. I said, if I had the cord, this would be in between $350 and $400. I told him, I'm selling it for how much I said for $250. I said for $250. So I put that in the description. Somebody bought it. This guy from St. Louis, he from a little area called St. Charles, Missouri. Here it is, y'all. Here it is. You can record. I'm gonna put a cassette tape with it, but you can record. They go to back. $250. Okay. Let me see. That's it. Now we can go to normal. Now we can go to the new flat way. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put y'all on hold for a minute. Watch this. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Okay, first up. So another Christmas item. This is a stocking hanger. I had this for about 2 or 3 years. I paid $50 for it. As you can see, it's Hallmark. I thought I left the tag on it, but I didn't. I think I paid 50 cents to $1 for this. That's how much I pay for my Christmas ornaments. But as you can see, this is another store. I guess that's where they got it from. But anyway, I paid 50 cents for it. This sold for $14.50. Sold another Viewmaster. U.S. Spaceport. John F. Kennedy Space Center. Yeah, I showed y'all the inside of these before. I'm going to show you again. Comes with the package. Little booklet. And it comes with 3 Viewmaster reels. 1, 2, 3. See that? Okay. That's what that is. Viewmaster. I've been slow in selling these. They used to sell like 2 or 3 a week. Nah, I haven't sold one for a while. Probably a couple of weeks. But I don't care. They'll sell after Christmas. Somebody buy up all of them. This one sold for $13 plus shipping. And it's medium mail, so go out of $2.80. Okay? Alrighty. Then move on. Next up, I bought some DVDs. I bought a whole lot of DVDs. So most of the time I bundle them up like this. So this 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Diego and Doris Christmas. All the most of this is Doris, but you got one Diego on there. This sold for $13 plus shipping, medium mail. Next up, Hot Wheels Turbo Launcher. Let me cut it on for y'all. I'm gonna take the batteries out though. Damn, it was working yesterday. Batteries must have went dead. I must have had it on. Anyway, it's called a launcher. So you put the tracks in there and it launch the cars. I don't know what happened. There you go. See the wheels right there? That sold for $20. Next up, I got a vintage toy. Fisher Price. I saw this. I paid $4 for it. This sold for $72. Now, when I wanted to come on, they come on. I don't know what. There you go. It worked and everything. Yeah. So, anyway, this sold for $72 plus shipping. I paid $10 shipping for that. Next up, I sold a garage door opener. I sell these all the time. When I find them, I'll be happy as hell to find them. This sold for $15.60. Shipping is free. Next up, track phone. I paid $10 for this at Walmart on clearance. Brand new track phone. But I paid $40.90. I don't know why I put free shipping, but it's free shipping. Next up, it's a Yamaha Porter Sound PSS-6. I paid $2 for this at Goodwill. It works. This sold for $25 plus $8 shipping. Next up, Spider-Man PSP. This is like the third PSP game I done sold, probably in the last year. So they don't sell that much. This PSP games. I got new ones, I got used ones. This new one, this guy paid $15 for this. $15 plus $2 shipping. Next up is Guilty 30 Years of Randy Newman. This is a CD set. I don't know what it's about, whatever. I don't know what's going on with this. I paid $1 for this. I guess the people at Goodwill thought it was a book. See how it looked like a book? And it was $1. So the guy paid $20 for this plus $3.35 shipped and handling. And last but not least, I sold some more of my favorites. Somebody bought 3 knife sharpeners. You can see I paid $1 for them. I got a video on YouTube showing you me using these and sharpening knives with them. Anyway, I've been doing pretty good with these. I probably got about 20 of them left. I had about 100. I'm running out of silver though. I got blue, green, what you call it, the dark gray, gunmetal. I got all that. So they come with the instructions too. See, each one, I put instructions in each one of them. So this sold for $31.50. They like $10.50 a piece. I had dropped the price. They're $10.50 a piece. Okay, y'all, that's what sold this week. And, well, not this week. That sold like probably in about 2 days. That's 2 days worth of sales. Anyway, y'all, thanks for looking at my video. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. You know, I got to be quiet. You know what I'm saying? I can't be my usual self. But, yeah, I've been studying up, been saving up, trying to do this, get ready to jump off doing this other thing I want to do. And as soon as I get finished, I'm going to contact Buff. And I'm going to contact Glass City so they can give me some advice. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you guys have a Merry Christmas. You know, I'll probably make another video before then. But anyway, you guys have a Merry Christmas. Hope you get what you want. What I want is just I'm just thankful to be alive. I don't really need nothing. All this stuff I got, I don't need nothing. You know, I bought my wife, though. I bought my wife a new pistol. She don't know. But anyway, don't tell her. Don't tell nobody. Anyway, you know, I don't know what to say. But, you know, Merry Christmas, I guess. And I'm going to put a picture when I used to play Santa Claus. I haven't played Santa Claus in 2 years. But I used to play Santa Claus all the time. And I'm going to put some pictures up, you know, showing you the Christmas spirit. You know, you guys need to get into it. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. And I'm going to act the fool next time. I can't act the fool now, you know, because my wife in the other room, she don't like when I act the fool. But I'm going to, though. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Can't stop. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hey, y'all. This is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking since 2002. Selling on eBay since 2002. I've been picking forever. But I just wanted to tell y'all that I just want to tell y'all that we pick in the hood too. Yeah.